Hello. Welcome to Farmonaut. In this video, we will show you how to make use of the Farmonaut mobile application to map your fields. To begin, open the Farmonaut application. Log in using either your mail ID or phone number. Once the home page appears, go to My Fields tab. Then the app will allow you to map the area of the field, where you can select the boundaries of your field that is to be mapped. To map the boundaries, just long press each point. If you want to remove any points, click on the Remove Last or Remove All option at the top of the screen. After the selection is done, click on the Submit button at the bottom. Then you will be taken to a page of the available plans, considering the total area of your field, number of months you need the services, and finally the price associated with it. Pricing will depend on the total area of the field and the number of months you choose. Once you choose the apt plan for you, you will be redirected to the transaction page. Payment can be done in different ways such as UPI payment, net banking or via card payment. If you have any inquiries or issues, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the section below. We appreciate your viewership. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and follow Farmonaut for further updates.